forget. High school life. Ikaw. Kinanta ko rin nakaraan. Ikaw lang at ako. Kahapon lamang. Kahit na maputi ng buhok ko. Mahal kita. Mr. DJ. Pangako sa'yo. Pangarap na bituin. P.S. I love you. Sana'y wala ng wakas. To love again. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Try ko nga. Okay. Let's go. Oh no. So, thank you. Shout out to my Super LUV STARS. And thank you, Brother Fred, and all my Super Sectors. Hindi ko alam to. Again. And recall those days I had with you. Sometimes I need a friend just to make it through. And nowadays send me down. Then I took and just got to let you know it's hard to love again just to make it through. And nowadays stand me down. You. I don't wanna go pretending that it's gonna be a happy ending. If I should love again, once I've learned to love again. And no, it would never be the same without you, baby. Instead cause it's hard to love again. Brother Albert, hello! Magandang hapon, Brother Albert. Do you go hard sometime? Ano ba to? What the days done? My mind is stuck again with you. Gotta need a friend just to make it through. Another day stand without you. I don't wanna go on pretending that it's gonna be a happy ending. If I should love again, once I've learned to love again. And no, it would never be the same without you, baby. You stay inside, driving me crazy, cause it's hard to love again. But I know it would never be the same without you, baby. You stay inside, it's driving me crazy, cause it's hard to love again. Hello, Adi. Sa ating gallery PSC. Brother, update ng PSC. Awesome. Gallery. Adi, thank you. Alright. Night 89 na. Okay.